Hey fellas, here we have the meter. It's a pneumatic one, and I tried to fit the battery, it's no fit for it. Okay, the problem with this one is that it's just not simple nails, and what could be wrong with this one? I hope that service kit needed. I got the replacement service kit for this needle. Let's check. First of all, what we have in the service kit. I see a couple of O-rings and I see the new switch. I love to get a new switch. Okay, let's try to open the back of it. Going back. Getting back so easily. It's even strange. Okay. Okay, I want to try to remove this wand. Okay, the drill cannot take it. What can you see here? Basically nothing special. Okay, now the housing was left, and I want to take this cylinder out. I'll try to hammer it. Okay. Got this bad boy. Got some, I don't know what is, nylon. And yep, the spring here is working, is going. The cylinder itself looks good. The O-rings, I believe it's not damaged. The bumper here looks good. So okay, we have something bad here, but nothing really special. Do we have some cracks? Nope. Okay, so until now nothing bad with this one. What I want to do, I want to remove the pins to get the okie dokie. Now we need to take the pin out, and I want to take this ring. It will be better to not lose it. Okay, we have it. So basically it's a big fat O-ring. Okay, we have the pin, and okay, now we have the protection here, and I don't like how this presses the button, but okay. I need to hammer this out. the pin. Okay, I'm just thinking that this one can be removed, or I hope so, but it's not moving easily. I don't want to break it. Okay, so just let's take out a pin here. Okay, we have the pin out, we have the switch out, we have our button. Okay, we have this out, and as you can see, we have this one in one piece, and I want to take this one out. Now we need to press it out somehow. Of course, easiest way to do that is to put a screwdriver in. And now I want to see if the air can go here, so I will just blow with my mouth. Yep, it easily goes here. That's good. And why I'm doing that, because I had a problem when I press the switch, the air just going in, but it's going very weak, very small amount of air. That's why. Now we need to take this nice switch. Okay, I will use some O-ring grease for the pneumatic tools. Basically, I think if you will use the grease for the air, it will be pretty the same. Okay, do we have it here? Yeah, it seems that we have it in place. The short pin. Okay, now this one is working, and this will open the air for all the parts here, because now we had a problem that the switch is not getting the air to move the piston back, and that's why I stopped it. It's not working, or I believe that was so. Oh, we will see. And basically now I don't know if I need a O-rings here or not, because I can't see the O-ring like that. Basically I think the problem was in the switch. Okay, we have the fat O-ring. I think it's similar to this one. Oh, this is like gum. Okay, this one looks really bad. Okay, so what can we do now? We can check the O-ring here. It looks good. I hope that it's good. Okay, let's try to assemble it and we will see if it works or not. Our button. Now it's not working, and this one, yeah, it must work. I need just to align the holes. And one hole is here. And the second one is for this pin with a fat O-ring. Okay, we have it here. I need to mount this O-ring. Make sure that the O-ring is on the pin here. Okay, nice little rubber, not cracked or something. We'll use some grease on it. Now I can mount in here. Okay. Now let's check what we have here. We have some, maybe it's a glue. The cylinder looks good here. I will wash it with a brake cleaner and will lubricate the O-ring later. Okay, this O-ring goes out. What we will do now, I will lubricate this one a little bit, and I want to clean it somehow a little bit. Okay. Now let's make sure if we have the difference where to put it. Yeah, I think we have. This is the hole that must be aligned. Okay. Now this one is moving here. Now we have the nose, and you can see on the nose you have the not round hole, you have the flat surface, and the flat surface goes to the bottom of the tool. So we need to do the same, putting the striker in. Then just lubricate the cylinder a little bit. Okay, we have it in. the O-ring here. The O-ring will be lubricated here too. Okie dokie. And yep, now we're going to put the striker inside of the hole. Okay, we have it here. No bother. Switch perfectly. Okay, now got it good, or I hope that I got it good. Okay, go to tighten it. We have the piston inside. We can mount the nail magazine here. Sorry. Nice, I love it. Okay, now I will turn on the compressor and test it for you. Thank you for watching, thumbs up and bye.